Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started the channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily market analysis on the important forex currency pairs including USD, Japanese yen. I'm doing this video from the comfort of my home, so I apologize for not having a professional setup. Okay, I even do not edit my videos. I do not get time. I simply record it and upload the videos. I even do not replay. So this is the condition. Okay, so please do not mind. So let's jump to the screen, and this analysis is for 26 Feb 2021 only, Friday. Okay, this and it's for today only. So we can see that market is trading at 106.40. And the market doesn't seem very much convincing. Okay, though the market is in uptrend, but if you look at this portion only, then you'll find that this doesn't seem to be very much convincing, is not it? So we can do one thing. We can switch to a higher time frame to get a clear picture. Let's switch to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and now we have a better picture. Let's switch from 20 MA to 50 MA and watch. No, I'm just trying to find see whether is it taking support at the moving average or not. But it doesn't seem to be in good terms with a moving average also. But one thing is I'm pretty sure that at least in the 4 hours time frame, we can see that it is making higher highs and it is making higher highs. Okay, this was the high broke the previous high, again it has crossed the previous high. The market is making higher highs, so this is a very good trend. Okay, and we can see that market is not breaking the lows. Okay, so and the stochastic RSI is also telling us the market is in overbought zone right now, so let the market come down. Okay, let the see, as you can see that market is making good swings. Okay, higher highs. So after some time market will definitely come down. Okay, market will definitely come down. So when market will be coming down, just keep an eye that market does not break this previous low, the previous low of 105. Okay, 105, you need to keep your eyes on 105. If market reverses from 105.50, okay, or 105.40 and starts going up again, then that will be your best position to catch the USD Japanese yen. Okay, that will be your best position to buy. Okay, right now it is not the ideal position to buy. Okay, because there is a high chance, looking at the price action, that market is about to come down. Okay, within a short period of time. So when market will be coming down and market will bounce from there, okay, it may or may not take support at the 100 period moving average. You just saw I switched from 20 to 50, 50 to 100. It may or may not take, okay, because this 100 period moving average is also not that convincing. Okay, but simply looking at the trend, we can see that market, yes, market is making higher highs, market is not breaking the previous low, so it is in good trend. Okay, so what you can do when market will come down, market will come down to a level, let's say 105.50 level. Just look at the position of the stochastic RSI. Is stochastic RSI in the oversold zone like this? Okay, okay, let the stochastic RSI move a little. When stochastic RSI will start going up again like this, when stochastic RSI will going up again, then you can catch it. And if the price comes down to the level of 100 moving average and bounces off from there, then that's a golden spot. Okay, try to buy above 100 period moving average only, and when the stochastic RSI will be in the oversold zone. And as of now, let the market come down and rest. So this is the analysis of USD Japanese yen for 26 Feb 2021. Sorry, Friday. Friday only. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I bring daily videos where I analyze the important currency pairs. Okay. If you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. And thank you so much and good luck.